Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. BenQ expanded its home cinema line of projectors by launching the CinePrime W2700 and W5700 DLP models. These new offerings are touted to be the world's first 4K home theater DLP projectors and deliver long-lasting color projection. BenQ has also included its CinematicColor technology and individual factory color calibration. The new BenQ projectors also have the proprietary HDR-PRO technology that supports both HDR10 and HLG formats. The latest CinePrime projectors are targeted at cinema-loving home consumers. They start at Rs 2,49,000 and go up to Rs 2,99,000. Both the BenQ CinePrime W2700 and W5700 projectors are claimed to deliver true 4K performance along with 3840 by 2160 pixels resolution and 8.3 million distinct pixels for each frame. There is a pristine 4K optimized optical system with 6 structured groups of all-glass lens elements for light transmission. The new models also support DCI P3 color standard. While the BenQ CinePrime W2700 is designed to cover 94% of DCI P3 and 100% of Rec. 709, the CinePrime W5700 is touted to cover 100% coverage of the DCI P3 color space and 100% of Rec. 709. Both models also have individual factory color calibration reports ensuring delta E less than or equal to 3 color accuracy. There is also the proprietary HDR-PRO technology to enable 4K projection with both HDR10 and HLG formats. With DCI P3 compliance, BenQ states the new projectors will offer an enhanced red and green colors. The HDR-PRO technology on the latest CinePrime models also enables auto color and tone mapping techniques. The company claims that the new techniques enable superior brightness and contrast ranges as well as ideal image optimization. BenQ has also included a Cinema Master Video Plus technology that is touted to enable commercial quality digital cinema experiences into avenue screening rooms and living rooms with motion adaptive 4K pixel enhancement. The new models additionally have tailored avenue personalization with versatile short throw, big zoom, and lens shift. Furthermore, the CinePrime W5700 have 1.6 times big zoom and 2D HV lens shift. The BenQ CinePrime W2700 comes with a price tag of Rs 2,49,000 and is set to be available for purchase in India starting March. The BenQ CinePrime W5700, on the other hand, is priced at Rs 2,99,000 and will go on sale in the later part of the first quarter of this year. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.